Hello everybody, so we have a Dodge Stratus right now, and customer state says crank but it's not, keep it running. So we are here to check the crankshaft sensor, if they are reading or not. Nope, it is not reading. So we're gonna check the code, see what kind of code we have. Alright, we have P0320. So we're gonna do some more diagnostic. Check for power at the crankshaft sensor. Then we're gonna confirm that if it has the power at the crankshaft connector, it has good power and good ground, then we're gonna suggest a crankshaft sensor.